Kazakhstan, the heart of Eurasia, ancient and beautiful land. Today, Kazakhstan, like a magnet, attracts tourists from all over the world with its distinctive nature. However, 30 years ago, Kazakhstan's future could have been different. In the year of gaining its sovereignty, Kazakhstan was the first in modern world history to decisively renounce nuclear weapons. The Semipalatinsk test site was closed 30 years ago. Prominent Kazakhstani artist Karibek Kuyukov is one of thousands of Kazakhstanis who suffered from radiation exposure. The ambassador of international anti-nuclear movement ATOM was born with no upper limbs. He creates his artworks using only his lips and toes. Karibek Kuyukov's paintings are known internationally, being exhibited at both private and public collections in USA, Germany, Japan, China, and Turkey. The artist believes that only unity and harmony will save the planet from a catastrophe, which is well reflected in his work, as he depicts a world with no war. At the end of October this year, Kazakhstan pavilion visitors at the World Expo in Dubai were able to get acquainted with Karibek's exhibition that was a part of Days of Tourism project. Visitors from all over the world were delighted with the unique beauty of Kazakhstan, free from the nuclear threat. Kazakhstan invites you to visit iconic places of international tourist routes. Our doors are always open for guests and friends.